Over 60. Best collagen powder for skin, benefits, safety, and how to use it. After the age of 60, many people notice their skin changing in ways that feel frustrating and unfamiliar. Wrinkles deepen, skin becomes thinner, and that natural glow from younger years slowly fades. Many creams promise miracles, but the truth is that healthy skin often starts from within. One nutrient that has gained serious attention among doctors and nutrition experts is collagen. But not all collagen powders are the same, and some may work better than others for aging skin. The real question becomes, which collagen powder is actually best, and how should it be used safely after 60? Before we explore the best collagen powders and how they support aging skin, take a moment to subscribe to the channel. This community focuses on helping adults over 50 stay healthy, confident, and active through simple nutrition and lifestyle choices. Your support helps bring more trusted guidance like this to people who need it. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides are widely considered one of the most effective forms of collagen for people over 60 because the body can absorb and use them more easily than many other collagen supplements. As the body ages, natural collagen production slows down significantly. This decline contributes to thinner skin, deeper wrinkles, and a loss of firmness. Hydrolyzed collagen is specially processed so that the large collagen proteins are broken down into much smaller peptide chains. These smaller molecules are easier for the digestive system to absorb and deliver into the bloodstream, where the body can use them to support skin structure. Research published in nutrition and dermatology journals has shown that collagen peptides may help improve skin elasticity and hydration in older adults. Elasticity is the quality that allows skin to stretch and then return to its original shape. When collagen levels fall with age, skin gradually loses this ability, which leads to sagging and fine lines. Hydrolyzed collagen provides the body with important amino acids such as glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These amino acids are essential building blocks that the body uses when producing new collagen fibers in the skin. Some dermatologists explain that collagen peptides may also stimulate fibroblasts, the specialized skin cells responsible for producing collagen naturally. When these cells receive the right amino acids, they may become more active, helping the skin repair itself and maintain a stronger internal structure. This process does not create overnight changes, but consistent intake over several weeks has been linked to gradual improvements in skin texture and firmness. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides are also gentle on digestion, which is an important consideration for older adults. Because the protein is already broken down into smaller units, the stomach does not need to work as hard to process it. Many seniors find that this form dissolves easily in warm or cold liquids and can be added to daily beverages without affecting taste. This simple routine helps maintain regular intake, which is essential because collagen support works best when the body receives these building blocks consistently over time. Marine collagen powder, derived from fish skin and scales, is often recommended for adults over 60 because it may support skin hydration and elasticity more efficiently than many other collagen sources. As natural collagen production declines with age, skin gradually loses moisture and firmness. Marine collagen provides a concentrated form of type 1 collagen, which is the most abundant type of collagen found in human skin and plays a central role in maintaining structure and smoothness. One reason marine collagen receives attention from dermatologists is its high bioavailability. Bioavailability refers to how easily the body can absorb and use a nutrient. Studies in nutritional science suggest that the peptide molecules in marine collagen are smaller and lighter than those found in some other collagen sources. Because of this, the digestive system may absorb them more efficiently, allowing the amino acids to circulate through the bloodstream and reach skin tissues where they are needed. Researchers studying aging skin have found that marine collagen may help improve skin hydration levels. Hydration is essential for maintaining soft, flexible skin, especially after the age of 60 when the skin's natural moisture barrier becomes weaker. Some clinical studies have reported that participants who consumed marine collagen supplements regularly experienced improved skin moisture and a reduction in the appearance of dryness over time. Marine collagen also provides amino acids such as glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which are important building blocks used by the body to maintain and repair collagen fibers in the skin. Dermatology researchers explain that these amino acids may support fibroblasts, the skin cells responsible for producing new collagen. When these cells receive sufficient nutrients, they may function more effectively in maintaining skin strength and elasticity. Another reason some dermatologists recommend marine collagen is its compatibility with the body's natural collagen structure. Because it closely resembles human type 1 collagen, the body may recognize and utilize it efficiently. Regular use does not create instant changes, but consistent intake over time may help support smoother, more hydrated skin as the aging process continues. Grass-fed bovine collagen is widely used as a collagen supplement because it provides important types of collagen that support the structure and strength of aging skin. Bovine collagen is typically derived from the connective tissues of cows and naturally contains high levels of type 1 and type 3 collagen. These two types play a critical role in maintaining skin firmness, elasticity, and overall skin structure. As people move beyond the age of 60, the body's ability to produce these collagen types slows down, which contributes to wrinkles, thinning skin, and a gradual loss of firmness. Type 1 collagen is the most abundant collagen found in the skin and is responsible for maintaining strength and resilience. It forms the strong fibers that give skin its structure and support. Type 3 collagen works alongside it, helping maintain elasticity and flexibility so the skin can stretch and return to its natural shape. When these collagen types decline with age, skin begins to appear looser and fine lines become more noticeable. Bovine collagen supplements provide amino acids such as glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which the body uses as building blocks to help maintain these important collagen networks. Some dermatology researchers explain that regular intake of bovine collagen peptides may encourage fibroblasts to remain active. Fibroblasts are the skin cells responsible for producing collagen naturally. When the body receives the right amino acids through diet or supplements, these cells may be better supported in maintaining skin structure and slowing visible signs of aging. The quality of bovine collagen becomes especially important for adults over 60. High-quality sources typically come from grass-fed cattle, which are often raised with fewer antibiotics and hormones. Some doctors advise choosing collagen products that are tested for purity and contaminants. Aging bodies can be more sensitive to impurities, so cleaner sources may reduce the risk of unwanted additives while providing the amino acids the skin needs to maintain strength, firmness, and healthier texture over time. Collagen powder combined with vitamin C is often recommended because vitamin C plays a crucial role in how the body produces and uses collagen. Collagen itself provides the structural protein that supports skin strength and elasticity, but vitamin C acts as a key helper in the collagen formation process. Without enough vitamin C, the body cannot efficiently convert amino acids into the strong collagen fibers that maintain healthy skin. For adults over 60, this partnership becomes especially important because natural collagen production declines and skin repair slows with age. Vitamin C supports enzymes that stabilize and cross-link collagen molecules. These enzymes help transform collagen building blocks into strong fibers that give the skin its firmness and structure. When vitamin C levels are sufficient, the body is better able to assemble these fibers and maintain the internal framework that keeps skin smooth and resilient. Some dermatologists explain that collagen supplements may be more effective when vitamin C is present because it assists the body in actually using those collagen peptides. Research in skin nutrition has also shown that vitamin C contributes to improved skin brightness and overall tone. This vitamin acts as an antioxidant, which means it helps protect skin cells from oxidative stress caused by environmental factors and normal aging processes. Over time, oxidative stress can weaken collagen fibers and contribute to dull or uneven skin. By supporting collagen production while also protecting existing collagen structures, vitamin C may help maintain a healthier and more vibrant appearance for seniors. This combination may offer an additional advantage because aging skin often becomes slower to repair itself. Doctors studying skin aging have noted that nutrients working together often provide stronger support than a single nutrient alone. When collagen peptides supply the building blocks and vitamin C helps activate the production process, the body may be better equipped to maintain skin strength, hydration balance, and natural glow. Regular intake over time may gradually support smoother skin texture and improved resilience as the years continue. Collagen combined with hyaluronic acid is often recommended for adults over 60 because these two nutrients work together to support both skin structure and deep hydration. Collagen provides the protein framework that gives skin its strength and firmness, while hyaluronic acid helps the skin hold onto moisture. As the body ages, levels of both collagen and hyaluronic acid gradually decline, which is one reason older skin often becomes thinner, drier, and less elastic. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring molecule found in the skin and connective tissues. One of its most important roles is its remarkable ability to retain water. Researchers often explain that hyaluronic acid can hold many times its own weight in water. This ability allows it to act like a moisture reservoir within the skin layers, helping maintain softness, flexibility, and a smooth appearance. When hyaluronic acid levels drop with age, the skin's ability to keep moisture also weakens, which can lead to dryness and a dull or tired look. Some dermatologists explain that combining collagen peptides with hyaluronic acid may offer additional benefits because the two support skin health in different but complementary ways. Collagen helps maintain the skin's internal framework, while hyaluronic acid keeps that framework hydrated and flexible. Well-hydrated skin tends to appear fuller and more resilient, which can soften the appearance of fine lines that often become more noticeable after the age of 60. Clinical research exploring skin nutrition has also suggested that hyaluronic acid supplements may improve skin moisture levels when taken consistently. Participants in some studies reported improvements in skin hydration and overall smoothness after several weeks of regular use. Doctors studying aging skin often note that maintaining proper hydration inside the skin is just as important as supporting collagen production for older adults experiencing dryness or loss of plumpness. This combination may help support a healthier moisture balance in the skin. Over time, regular intake may contribute to skin that feels softer, more hydrated, and slightly fuller in appearance, which can help restore a more comfortable and refreshed skin texture. Low-sugar collagen powders are often recommended for adults over 60 because avoiding added sugar may help protect the skin from accelerated aging. Many flavored collagen supplements contain hidden sugars or sweeteners that may seem harmless but can contribute to processes in the body that weaken skin structure over time. Dermatology researchers often emphasize that maintaining stable blood sugar levels is important for preserving collagen and keeping the skin firm and resilient. 1. Reason added sugar can harm aging skin is a biological process known as glycation. Glycation occurs when excess sugar molecules attach to proteins in the body, including collagen and elastin. These proteins are responsible for maintaining the skin's strength, flexibility, and smooth appearance. When sugar binds to these proteins, it can create harmful compounds called advanced glycation end products. These compounds may stiffen collagen fibers and make them more fragile, which can lead to deeper wrinkles and sagging skin. Some dermatologists explain that glycation gradually weakens the skin's internal support system. Collagen fibers that have been damaged by this process lose their natural flexibility and become more difficult for the body to repair. Over time, this can contribute to a rougher skin texture and a loss of the firmness that many people hope to preserve as they grow older. For this reason, many health professionals advise choosing collagen powders that contain little or no added sugar. Clean formulas typically focus on delivering collagen peptides without unnecessary sweeteners, artificial syrups, or sugary flavoring agents. This allows the body to receive the amino acids needed to support collagen production without introducing ingredients that may work against skin health. Low sugar collagen powders also help seniors maintain a balanced nutritional approach. Excess sugar intake has been linked in some studies to inflammation and metabolic stress, which can affect many systems in the body, including the skin. By choosing a simple, low-sugar formula, older adults may support collagen maintenance while avoiding ingredients that could accelerate visible signs of aging. Unflavored collagen powder is often recommended for daily use because it allows people over 60 to include collagen in their routine without changing the taste of their favorite foods or drinks. Many seniors prefer simple solutions that fit naturally into their daily habits. Unflavored collagen powders dissolve easily in common beverages such as coffee or tea. Making it possible to take collagen regularly without feeling like is a separate supplement routine. Collagen peptides in unflavored powders are usually processed so they mix smoothly in both warm and cold liquids. When added to beverages like morning coffee or afternoon tea, the powder typically dissolves quickly and becomes nearly undetectable in flavor and texture. Some nutrition experts explain that this convenience helps people stay consistent with collagen intake, which is important because collagen support works gradually and requires regular consumption over time. Soups and smoothies are also common ways to include unflavored collagen powder in a daily routine. Because the powder has little to no taste, it blends into many recipes without altering the flavor of the meal. This flexibility can make it easier for older adults to incorporate collagen into foods they already enjoy, rather than forcing themselves to drink strongly flavored supplements that may become unpleasant over time. Some doctors and nutrition researchers note that consistency is one of the most important factors. When using collagen supplements, the body uses collagen peptides as building blocks, and these building blocks need to be supplied regularly in order to support skin structure and maintenance. If a supplement is difficult to take or has a taste that people dislike, it becomes less likely that it will be used every day. Unflavored collagen powders solve this problem by allowing the supplement to blend quietly into everyday meals and drinks. For many seniors, this simple approach removes the barrier that flavored powders sometimes create. When collagen becomes part of a normal routine, daily intake becomes easier to maintain, which may support the gradual skin benefits associated with long-term collagen use. Using collagen powder safely after 60 involves understanding recommended daily intake, timing, and consistency to maximize its potential benefits. Most studies and nutrition experts suggest that a daily dose of 5 to 10 grams of collagen peptides is sufficient to support skin, joints, and connective tissues in older adults. Taking collagen consistently every day is important because the body uses the amino acids in collagen as building blocks for repair and maintenance. And irregular intake may limit the supplement's effectiveness. Timing can be flexible, as collagen can be consumed with or without food. Some research indicates that taking collagen alongside a source of vitamin C may enhance its absorption and effectiveness, since vitamin C plays a key role in collagen synthesis. For many seniors, adding collagen to a morning beverage, smoothie, or even a warm soup helps establish a simple daily habit, making it easier to maintain consistency over weeks and months. Patience is essential when using collagen for skin improvements. Studies suggest that noticeable changes in skin hydration, elasticity, and firmness may take anywhere from 4 to 12 weeks of regular intake. Dermatology researchers emphasize that collagen works gradually, supporting the skin's internal structure from within rather than producing instant visual results. Regular use over months tends to yield the most reliable benefits, particularly for adults over 60 whose natural collagen production has declined. Monitoring for any digestive discomfort is also advised. Although collagen peptides are generally well tolerated, choosing high-quality, tested products can reduce the risk of impurities and make daily intake safer. Consistency, proper dosing, and allowing time for gradual improvements are the keys to using collagen powder safely after 60, helping the skin retain strength, elasticity, and hydration over time. Thank you for spending these few minutes here. Growing older does not mean giving up strength or comfort. With the right foods and small daily choices, the body can continue to support you well. This channel is here to share simple, research-based guidance that helps people over 50 stay steady, active, and confident. Take care of yourself, listen to your body, and join us again for the next video.